Weed index. Weed index is one of the criteria for indication of herbicide efficiency or the impact of weed on yield reduction in a field or impact of weed on yield reduction in a particular crop. So what is actually weed index? So weed index is a magnitude of yield reduction. Always remember weed index is indicating parameter for amount of yield reduction caused by the presence of weeds in comparison with weed free plot. For example, there are two plots. This is completely weed free. There are no weeds at all. Here there are lot of weeds. In comparison to the weed free plot, how much yield has been reduced because of the presence of weeds has been indicated by the weed index. It is a measure of efficacy of a particular treatment, that is herbicidal treatment or any organic treatment, when compared to the weed free treatment. So higher weed index means greater loss due to the weeds. Always remember, if weed index is higher, that indicates greater loss. Means if you are comparing two treatments, the treatment which is having lower weed index is considered to be the best. So let us look at an example. So this is the formula for weed index: x minus y by x into 100, where x indicates yield from weed free plot or hand weeded plots, and y indicates weed from treatmental plots. That may be herbicide, that may be atrazine sprayed plot or pendimethalin sprayed plot, simazine sprayed plot, or oxyflor plot, any herbicide treatmented plot. One is weed free plot, that is hand weeded plot, or other one is treated plot. In comparison between two, that which treatment is best, that gives idea about weed index. That is about weed index calculation. Here the question is, a weed-free plot of sorghum has given yields of 1500 kg per hectare, whereas atrazine and semazine treated plot has given yields of 1400 and 1450 kg per hectare respectively. Atrazine has given 1400, semazine has given 1450 per hectare. Calculate the weed index and find which herbicide is better. Here weed-free plot has given 1500, means X is 1500 and Y1 is 1400, that is atrazine. Y2 is 1450. Let us calculate. So here is the weed index for atrazine: 1500, that is x value minus 1400 by 1500, that is 6.6%. Weed index is always indicated in percentage, whereas weed index for simazine: 1500 minus 1450 divided by 15 into 100. The answer is 3.3. So among these, which is better? The answer is simazine. Simazine is better since weed index of simazine is lower than atrazine. So since the weed index is less for simazine, so simazine is better than atrazine when compared between these two treatments. So the weed index which is having lesser, that is showing to be higher yield than compared to the weed index having higher.